Hi everyone, I want to walk you through the process of ordering an issue or subscription from the Heart of Hospitality web app. As you can see, I'm on the homepage of the web app. You can reach it using this URL, heartofhospitality.zenioapps.com/shop. In the homepage, you will see of course, the first issue or the current issue at the moment, which is the spring 2021. At the bottom, you have an option to view the entire catalog of back issues. If I click on view all, I'll be able to see all of the back issues in the catalog. If I decide to buy the spring 2021 issue, I'll just go back to the product page where I will see the option to buy an issue or subscription. I will click on buy issue and that will put the issue in the cart. I'll go ahead and click checkout. On the order process page, you will be asked to pay with either a credit or PayPal. So I'm going to choose credit card. I'll have to put my entire details, first name and last name. And then I'm going to put a test credit card info. Of course, you'll have to enter something that is live and active. Make sure that for the month and year, you're only using 2 digits instead of 4 digits for the year. As you can see, if you entered the details properly, it changes the field from gray to green. Put your CVV or the security number at the back of your credit card. I will go ahead and enter my billing address. I'm going to put my address, my city, the state I live in, and the postal code. And then the last important thing to enter is, or to click, is that I'm not a robot. You need to click this to be able to save your billing information. Once I click it, you will see the save button here change from gray to pink. Saving it, if I click save, it actually will verify the credit card that you entered. Because I put a fake card, if I click save, it will of course spin, verify, and fail. But if you put an active or working credit card, once you click save, you'll be able to see that the complete purchase button will be active and it will actually allow you to purchase the issue. That's about it. Thanks.